Hello everyone, welcome to L3S. Today we are going to learn divisibility rules for competitive exam. This topic is very useful for railway, SSC, banking, UPSC and other exams. So let's start and learn it a very simple way. In this video, we will learn divisibility rules of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. These rules help us check division quickly without using a calculator. First we will discuss about divisibility rule of 2. A number is divisible by 2 if its last digit is an even number, specifically 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Even numbers are 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. If the last digit or the ones digit is even number, then that number will be divisible by 2. Now for example, the number say 3, 5, 4. In this case, say the number is 3, 5, 4. So what is the last digit here? That is 4. So 4 is a even number. What are the even numbers? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So it is a even number. That is why this whole number will be divisible by 2. So key aspect of divisibility rule of 2, check the last digit. Only the last digit matters here, regardless on how large the number is. Even number. If the last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, the entire number is divisible by 2. Example 3, 2, 6. The last digit or it is end with 6. Now 6 is a even number, so it is divisible by 2. Another example 2050. Here last digit is 0. So 0 is a even number, so it is divisible by 2. And 24. 4 is even number, so it is divisible by 2. Now 137. Here the last digit is 7. So 7 is not even number, it is an odd number. That is why 137 will be not divisible by 2. Similarly 3461, 1 is not even number, so 3461 is not divisible by 2, and like that. So another one example we do, say 2, 3, 4, 5. Is it divisible by 2? So first what we will do, the last digit is 5. Now 5 is a even number? No, it is a odd number. So if it is a odd number, it is not divisible by, the whole number is not divisible by 2. Say another number, say 2, 6, 4, 8. In this case, the last digit is 8 and 8 is a even number. So the whole number 2648 is divisible by 2. So this is the rule for divisibility of 2. So next, divisibility rule of 3. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digit is divisible by 3. To apply this rule, add all the digits together. First we have to find out the sum of the digits. If the resulting sum is multiple of 3, the original number is divisible by 3. This rule applies to both small and large integers. So say here, so first example is 24. So 24. If we sum if we take sum of the digits, it will come 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. Now 6 is divisible by 3. 6 by 3 is equal to 2. So the whole number 24 is divisible by 3. Next example, 325. So in case of 325, sum of the digit is 3 plus 2 plus 5, that is equal to 10. 10 is not divisible by 3. So 325 is not divisible by 3. Another example, 1182. Similarly, here if we make the sum of 1182, 1 plus 1 plus 8 plus 2 is equal to 12. Now 12 is divisible by 3, so the whole number 1182 is divisible by 3. So this is the divisibility rule of 3. Next is divisibility rule of 4. A number is divisible by 4 if its last two digits are 00 or form a two-digit number that is divisible by 4. So here we have to check last two digits. If the last two digits are 00, then it will be divisible by 4, or last two digits are divisible by 4, then it will be divisible by, the whole number will be divisible by 4. Say if last two digit is 24, then 24 is divisible by 4 because 24 by 4 is equal to 6. So any number, if there is say 2, 3, 2, 4, then this two last digit 24, it is divisible by 2, divisible by 4. So the whole number 2324 will be divisible by 4. 328. One example is 328. What is the last two digit? 28. Now 28 divided by 4 is equal to 7. So it is divisible by 4. So the whole number 320 is divisible by 4. I hope you understand. Another example, 4300. So another example is 4300. Here the last two digit is 00. If it is 00, directly the whole number will be divisible by 4. Say instead of 43, another 23 number is there. So the full number is 234300. In this case also, as last two digits are 00, this whole number 23,4300, this also divisible by 4. So this is divisible by 4. One 1182, in this case last two digit is 82. Now 82 divided by 4, is it divisible by 4? No, it is not divisible by 4. 20.5. So it is not divisible. So that is why the whole number 1180 is not divisible by 4. A number is divisible by 5. Now we will see divisibility rule of 5. A number is divisible by 5 if its last digit is 0 or 5. Only these two digits work. So first, any number, if we need to see if it is divisible by 5, then we have to see the last digit. Say, for example, 328. Now 328, what is the last digit? 8. 8 is not 0 and 5. So 328 is not divisible by 5. If it is 325, then last digit would be 5. So in that case, it is divisible by 5. Another example, 4300. What is the last digit? 0. So if 0 or 5 is the last digit, it is divisible by 5. So it is divisible by 5. So it is divisible by 5. Another one, 1185. Last digit 5. So it is divisible by 5. Simple. Divisibility rule of 6. Now we will discuss divisibility rule of 6. A number is divisible by 6 if it is both even, ends in 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, and sum of its digit is divisible by 3. So it means the number is divisible by both 2 and 3. It satisfies the divisibility rule for both 2 and 3. If the last digit is even number and sum of digit is divisible by 3, then it will be divisible by 6. If either condition fails, the number is not divisible by 6. So both these conditions need to be fulfilled. So what will be the steps? First step will be, say any number given, first you will check if the number is even or not. If it is even, then you add all the digits together, and if the sum is divisible by 3, the number passes. That means it is divisible by 6. Say example, here is one example, 328. First what we will do? First we will see the last digit is even or odd. Now here 8 is even. So it is divisible by 2. So first step, it is okay. Now second step, we will make the sum of this all the digits. That means sum is 3 plus 2 plus 8, 13. So 13 is not divisible by 3. 13 not divisible by 3. So here one condition fulfilled and another condition not fulfilled. So this number 328 is not divisible by 6. We'll see another example if it is divisible by 6. Say 1184. In this case, so step 1 will be last digit, it should be even number. So last digit is 4, last digit even number. So step 1 is okay. Step 2, sum of all the digit will be 1 plus 1 plus 8 plus 4. That means 14. Now 14 is not divisible by 3. 14 is not divisible by 3. So 1184 not divisible by 6. Now another number we'll see, 1284. In this case, step 1, it is last digit is 4, so step 1 okay. Now step 2, sum of the digit, sum will be 1 plus 2 plus 8 plus 4. So this equal to 15. Now 15 is divisible of 3. So this is 5. So this condition in this case, step 1 and step 2 both fulfill, divisible by 2 as well as divisible by 3. So 1284 is divisible by 6. Next we will see divisibility rule of 7. To determine if a number is divisible by 7, we follow a special method. We have to follow a special method. Double the last digit and subtract it from the remaining reduced numbers. If the result is 0 or if it is multiple of 7, it is divided by 7, then the original number is divisible by 7. This process can be repeated for large numbers. So what we will do, first we have to identify the last digit. Say 2154. So what is the last digit? 4 in this case. Now double the last digit. We have to double it. That means 4 into 2 is equal to 8. Now subtract this double digit, subtract this double value from the rest of the number. What is the rest of the number? Rest of the number. So don't consider 4. Rest of the number will be here 215. 215. Now we have to do what? Subtract this double value. This is the double value 8. It is the double of last digit 4 is equal to 8, and rest of the number is 215. So here 215 minus 8. So this will be equal to 207. Is it divisible? Is it, if the result is divisible by 7 or 0, then it will be divisible, the whole number will be divisible. Now 207 by 7, is it divisible? (29.1). So it is not divisible by 7 because decimal is coming. That is why this whole number 2154 will be not divisible by 7. This is how we have to do to check divisibility rule of 7. We'll see more example. 273. In this case 273, what is the last digit? 3. So 3 into 2 is equal to 6, and rest of the number is 27. So remaining number is 27. So we have to deduct 6 from 27, that is 21. Now 21 is divisible of 7. 7 3 is 7 into 3 is equal to 21. So this whole number 273 is divisible of 7. Now here is another example, 1036. Here last digit is 6, so 6 into 2 12, and remaining number is 103. Now what we'll do, 103 minus 12, that is 91. Now 91 divided by 7, so we are not sure, this number is little big. We want to do again, we want to repeat it. Then what we will do, say 9. Now in this case again same procedure we will do, 91. What is the last digit? 1. So 1 into 2 is equal to 2. So 9, now 9 minus the remaining number will be 9. 9 minus 2. So 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. 7 is divisible of 7. So this whole number 91 is divisible of 7, and 1036 as well divisible of 7. Now we will see divisibility rule of 8. A number is divisible by 8 if the last 3 digits are 0, 0, 0, or form a number that is divisible by 8. Now here in this case, divisibility rule of 8, we have to see the last 3 digits. So if it is 0, 0, 0, then it will be divisible by 8, or it forms a number which is divisible by 8, then the whole number will be divisible by 8. Example 168. Say example is 273, 168. So last 3 digit is 168. It is not 0, 0, 0. So it is 168. Now we have to check if it is divisible by 8 or not. So it is divisible by 8 into 21 is equal to 168. So 168 is divisible by 8. So this whole number 273, 168 is divisible by 8. Next number is 1036, 000. So the last 3 digits are 000. So straightway this whole number will be divisible of 8. So this is the rule of divisibility rule of 8. Now next number is divisibility rule of 9. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of the digits divisible by 9. To apply this, add all digits in this number together. If this resulting sum is a multiple of 9, the original number is divisible by 9. So here what we have to do, we have to take the sum of all the digits, and if it is divisible by 9, then the whole number is divisible by, then the number is divisible by 9. Say one example given here, 459. So what is the sum of the digit? 4 plus 5 plus 9 is equal to 18. 18 by 9 is equal into 2. So it is divisible by 9. It is divisible by 9. So this whole number 459 is divisible by 9. Another example, say 1036. Now sum will be 1 plus 0 plus 3 plus 6. This 10. 10 is not divisible by of 9. Not divisible of 9. So this whole number is not divisible. This is how we have to do divisibility rule of if we want to check divisible by 9 or not. This is the rule. Let's move to the next one. Divisibility rule of 10. A number is divisible by 10 if its last digit is 0. It's very simple. Just we need to see if the last digit, say 459, what is the last digit? 9. It is not 0. So it is not divisible by 10. By 10. Now another example, 510. Last digit is 0. So it is divisible by 10. This is so simple. Thank you for watching this video. I hope these divisibility rules are clear to you now. Keep practicing daily for better results. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to L3S. Best of luck for your exam. See you in the next video. Thank you.